This next one is challenging. It's a plank, which is just like it sounds, and you've probably done plank anywhere from feet on the floor, elbows on the floor. We can do the same thing on the floor in a plank position that we did with our ball, but it's nicer to have the support. This is a lot tougher, so we're going to do a little bit tougher on the ball. So, and this one's also a part of the pictures. Where's my other little green guy? I need somebody small. Yeah, I have that other spare one. Maybe I'll use yours real quick. No, about that. Okay, so there's two ways to do this. We can take the beginning level. This is also the beginnings of a push-up. You can stay in the knee level, and I have my elbow slightly bent, and I'm right here. And by doing this, I'm just holding. I'm not going to move at all, but I'm very stable, and I have to use these muscles in order to keep myself from rolling off. And I want to be careful not to do this, because I tend to do that and draw my traps in. A little more difficult. I'm on my elbows and I'm on my knees. A little more difficult. Now I'm really pulling my midsection in. A little more difficult. I'm going to move to my feet. And you can see how it wiggles and wobbles, and that's a good thing, because now compound exercises, I'm moving. I've got my whole body engaged. A little more difficult. Try to stay away from a hiking, but we're coming right over here. And this might be a lot on your low back. You might feel that. So that's one way. Then, very advanced, we come over with our feet on the ball. You can do these in your feet or your socks or your shoes, whatever. Here's one way. And you are holding, and everything is very stable. This is more advanced. And you can also come down on your elbows. Then the next variation on that is called a jackknife. You're going to pull your body in, and I've got my like an upside down crunch. I've got some work in my upper body as well as my middle, and I'm right back to here. Better get those videos now, boys. And there we are. And there's no graceful way to get off this thing. You just gotta get out. That's great. Good. All right. So who's ready to try that one?